Well, I had to bring you guys back out here for this because I think this will be my best snowman ever. Maybe my last snowman ever. Who knows? But I got my hot buttered rum here, and yeah, I've been out here. I got my base going, and like I said, it's a nice. It's going to be a pretty good size. I'm working on my part two here. I've been working up the way, and I'm using some snow from the side, so I'll have a nice little area around him when I get done. It's not going to be all stripped to the ground, but I take these, and you roll them around, and just keep packing snow on them, and then I'll set it up on the big one, and add the proper accoutrements. Shoveling snow ice cream, making a big snowman. I tell you guys, it is. It's like Lieutenant Immelman in Germany. He's looking. He said, "You're having Christmas again." It's like, yeah, man, it really is. So maybe I got my snow angel. I'm gonna have to maybe have to try another snow angel before all my snow's gone. Maybe one on the other side of it. Make them bookend them. So. But there you go. We'll pick it up here in a minute when I get a little farther along. Those cartoons you can see where the snowball would roll to get bigger and bigger. That's real. Whew. Now is the time when that hot rum toddies hit the spot. You see, I got a bigger glass. When you put 2 ounces of rum, that little glass just makes it too strong. My bigger glass here, it's insulated, keeps it hot, makes that layer, you can't see it there, but that layer of butter forms right at the top with the cinnamon in it, sugar. Man, it's a good drink, I'll tell you guys. Now that I mixed it up and it's in the freezer, I just put a couple scoops in. It goes real quick. It's just getting it prepped. Got a little prep work, but. So I think we're good on this. For our thorax.
That could be where your nightmare begins. We're living in a time where government overreach that's very real. You have these politicized, weaponized prosecutors, politicians.
I just saw a little snowball there.
People like you and me. I've been a proud member of the USCCA for over 9 years.
Oh, missed the placement, but.
I want to encourage you.
Like I said, he's
shaping
up. I need to add a little more to this side to round him off. But all right, we're gonna work on the head, shape him up a little more, and we'll be back. And here we go. The sun is setting here on my snowman. I need to decorate him, give him some personality, but not bad for. I wanted him to be about this tall, but that big ball, I was running out of snow to roll it up, and it was just getting too damn heavy. So he's not bad though. I heard there's another one down the street that's about this tall, so I'll have to go see. But yeah, I said now I need to frosty him up a bit, but he came out pretty good. You know me, I like symmetry, so I think he looks pretty symmetrical there. It's that construction eye, man. I can't do anything that looks, you know. So all right, she came out. She goes, man, you're a snowman, bud. I worked so long trying to get my over there. So they got a cute little snowman. And I said, well, it's a snowball principle. You got to roll them, pack them and roll them. So let's see if I have enough daylight to decorate him here. Okay, let's try one more snow angel. Oh, the ground is not nearly as. We lost some depth and crustiness on there. That sucked. That hit hard. That wasn't a good one. Okay, let's try it again and see if I keep from busting my asphalt back. This is a little deeper and crustier, so let's see. Nope, it's still fucking too hard. Ow, that's like just hitting the damn ground. I'm too old to be throwing myself on the ground at this. See, I can't even crunch it. I can't even get any separation on it. Damn. Well, it looks like I've missed the window for good snow angels, but not for banging my damn head around. All right. Well, let that be a lesson to you guys. And there we have my version of Frosty. Snowball, Christmas ornaments for eyes, my gold pan for his hat. Yes, that's a Christmas cookie for his nose. And I was trying to get some of my rocks to stick in his mouth, and I just could not. I've been spent the last 30 minutes trying to do his mouth, so we just kind of gave him a smile. So I think he came out pretty good. It was my hands are thoroughly frozen now. So all that's left is the group shot. So it's a happy winter time down here on the bayou. I tell you guys, it's been fun. So yeehaw! Thanks for watching.